afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I am going to try and picking this Brinks. I don't remember if this is mine or not. I picked it one time. It took me forever. Definitely some security pins in this. And I haven't looked, so I don't remember if this is mine or not. Let me put it in the vise, like so. This is the bitting on the key, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, 5 hard pins, Brinks. Okay. Let's see what we can do about this. I'm going to be using the 1.2 Mad Bob's tension wrench and a couple of picks out of my Sparrow set. And let us pick away. Pick. I'm going to use the tall end here. Okay. This is a... What am I backwards? No. What's going on here? Yeah, that's right. Looked weird. Okay. This lock is definitely on tension. Too much, you're not going to get it. Too little, the pin's going to keep on falling. Which keep on happening anyway with this, especially the number 1 pin. Okay, we had to click on number 2, nothing on 1. I'm going to the high reach. Okay, back to beginning. 1 is good, 2 is good. Click on 3. Bouncy. A little counter rotation there. Soft, mushy, but it did it. Number 5. I'll click on 5, back to 1. Tension wrenches in the way. 1. 2. Click on 3. 4. Okay. And 5. Click on 5. Good. Back to beginning. 1's back down. Okay. Teeny bit of movement on there. 2. Okay. Bouncy. Nice click on 3. Click on 4. Nice click on 5. Back to beginning. 1 is down again. There you go. 2. Double click on 2. Bouncy. Nice click on 3. 4, and I got some nice movement out of that. This is where I thought it was easy before. Okay. 2. 1, 2, 3. Now it's 4. Number 5. Nothing on 5. To the beginning. 1's down. Now it's up. 2. We'll click on 2. 3. Heard something fall. That's probably number 1. I might as well see if I can hit it. Yep. Okay. 2, 3 is binding. Okay, click on 3. 4's got some counter rotation going. Come on. There you go. I think that was 5. Beginning. 1 is down. 1 is up. 2. 3 is binding. Got 3. 1 fell. 1's back up. 2. 3. A little bit of movement. 4 is binding. Okay, nice click out of that. That was 4, I think. Let's just go to 5. Nothing on 5. 1. I'm dying to see what's in there. 2. That was just click on 3. 4. 5. I got a teeny bit of movement. Still not out of the woods yet. Nothing on 5. Okay, 1's back up. 2. Nice click at 3. Teeny bit of movement. Using my tension wrench. There you go. 3. Bouncy, bouncy. 4 feels like it's... There you go. 4 and a teeny bit of movement. And 5. Nothing on 5. 1. 2. 3. Losing the tension wrench. 3. Click out of 4. 5 is binding. Nice click out of 5. Teeny bit of movement on that one. 1. Nice click out of 2. 3. I think I got you. Oh, shit. I had it. I friggin' had it. All right. Not a problem. Should I do it again? I had it, man. I really did. Let's see if I can do it a little quicker. Damn it, Bobby. All right, I'm not saying anything. One, 2. Connotation. Nice. Some movement there. 4. I think I'm 5. Factor. 1's down. 1's up. 2. 3. beginning. 1, 2, nice movement. Nice, I thought I had it. 5 is binding, and I got it. Woo! Double on that one. Let's hurry up. I'm already into this a long video. I apologize. Locks there. There. Pinning tray. What do I need to open this? Screwdriver. Here we go. Uh-oh. And screwing it with a bit in it. That's remarkable. Got that. And that. Leave it open. What was that? Oh, that's the wafer. Let's put that there, put that there, that there. Clip remover. Excuse me. I got a key, so it doesn't matter if I lock it. That. Nice shim. Get that in there. Okay, follower. Tiny follower. I think I'll use this one. Alright. No problems. No problems. There's my shim. Alright. Let's see what we have here. It's got 6, but the 6th pin is not occupied. Alright. 1 teeny tiny serrated pin. 2, another absolutely teeny tiny serrated tapered down pin. I'll put these in order in a minute. 3, I just forgot how, God, I got all this crap on my board. All right, just hold on a minute, I'll get to you. Okay, like I said, the 6th one is not occupied. I'm busy trying to make, putting my broken pick handles back together with some new metal. Let's see what we got in here. Let me just look real quick. Nothing. I think I'll thread these when I'm done. Okay, this is all stock right here. And I gotta have to use this tweezer. These are tiny. Okay. Let's remember that's the front. Excuse me 1 second. Okay. Number 1. Okay, we got another one of my spools with the serrations in the back. So I think this is mine. I don't remember it. It's been a year or so since I picked this. It goes back to the beginning. I'm starting to go back to some of my beginning videos and some of the locks I did back in the day. Another copper spring. Looks like another one of my spools with the serrations in it. Okay, doesn't want to come out. I'm moving on. And we got another regular spool. And last pin. Right, there's my springs. And that one spring's stuck in there, so I'm not going to bother with it. All right, let me show you what I got here. This time I remember. Close up of the pin. 16 minutes. Sorry. Zoom. All right, bottom pins. A nice double serrated little pin there. Same thing with the second and third. Both all the same, except the second one's a little larger. Double serration on the fourth one, and a single serration on the last one. Top pins, we got a double serrated pin. This one, and number 2, is all serrated. Another one of my spools with the serrations on the top. Spools and spool. All the springs are basically the same. And that's what I got for you. All right, guys, man. That's what I do. That's what I am. I'm a lock picker. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you got explicit permission. Keep our lock sport legal. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gone.